In this video, we'll detail how to use the link shortcode made available on your website. As shown on the screen, the standard method of including a link in your post or page is via the WordPress editor. The problem with this approach is that the method requires that you populate the necessary SEO tags yourself, which are often ignored, and the link itself isn't assigned the appropriate value. Links are important, and your internal website linking structure is vital. From an SEO perspective, links assign weight to various pages, and from a user perspective, they create the various pathways necessary for a conversion. The SEO video series should be referenced on how links are used to support your conversion framework. So why use a shortcode to create a link? First, links are an interaction that must be measured and understood. And used within a true funnel excursion, we have to be able to apply triggers to a link click. This might include a task, email notification or modification, and so on. A link is a means of not only understanding our traffic, but also a means to alter the pathways a user takes on your website. A lot of what we're introducing in this video is moderately confusing if you're unfamiliar with our interest-based conditional methodology. So you should reference BLearn for an understanding of our conditional ideology to fully appreciate how we're able to craft a user journey based on link, page, and other interactions. And you should find another video on our higher performing funnel methods to fully appreciate why our conversions are so much higher than the pedestrian experience shared by your peers. In this video, we're going to look at just the most basic features. And towards the end of this video, we'll touch on the powerful functionality built into the linking framework. If you don't know what links are being clicked on your website, or you're unable to identify the pathways used in any funnel to deliver a conversion, your website isn't performing as it should, and your funnels are not real funnels. When creating a link on your website, we're going to use the format as shown on the screen. The anchor text, or the text between the link tags, is important, and this is discussed in our SEO series. The URL attribute can be a full URL or ID, with the latter the ID of the post you're linking to, and it's required for tracking purposes. This link, when rendered, will behave like any other link, with the exception that the appropriate SEO tags will automatically be applied, if not created manually. A tooltip will be applied, and most importantly, the link passes through Yabber in order to feed you with a granular, user-based understanding of your traffic. It turns a single link into a potential marketing asset. Applied in any setting, but most often valued as part of an organic or paid campaign, the method described will have a seriously significant impact on your returns. Quite frankly, if you're not using a system, as we've just described, your marketing budget isn't optimized and your funnel is fundamentally broken. The link is one of over a dozen primary page assets that links your website to an excursion-based funnel. Default linking behavior is defined in Yabber. Navigate your way to the links module via the website plugin submenu, and you'll be presented with options that apply by default for each of your websites. When changes on this page are saved, the options will immediately apply on your website. Once a link passes through Yabber, we record the geography associated with the user, the IP address, the origin and destination page, the details associated with the user, including what we call the BMU ID, an ID that works across devices and links all interactions to a single user. On the basis of the known interactions this user has already engaged, BNet, Belief's AI-based machine learning, can optionally course correct a user journey, and on your end, the triggers may be applied to further refine the relevance of the funnel journey. All you have to do is create a link as introduced, and Yabber will take care of the rest. If an external URL is used in the link shortcode, a small icon associated with the destination website will be shown, and the link opens in a new window by default. In the example we're showing now, we're creating a link to the RBA website. On the Yabber end, each link click is recorded in the detailed statistics module with trending behavior identified. We've blurred the screen for privacy reasons as we're using live website stats. The SEO module includes a panel assigned for the purpose of assessing link structure, a necessary component for evaluating your SEO, and the same module provides a link matrix, which is a means to visually assess how your page is connected. The campaigns module includes a facility to create triggers that are assigned to any link on any page. Outside the scope of this video and leaning towards the conditional features, each link is assigned an interest type, or a term that helps Yabber resolve borrowing objective. While this interest may be assigned in the actual shortcode, it's usual to assign this value in Yabber, and this is accomplished via the conditional module. Each link and each page is assigned an interest, and this helps Yabber make informed funnel-based and course-correcting decisions. Discussed in another video, each incremental interaction helps us learn more about the user, and Yabber slowly starts to develop a very clear picture of what pathways or funnel pressure is used to convert a client into a telephone call or booking. Over time, your website will predict the number of engagements based on the type of activity that it records. Now, you've never seen anything like this in the past because it doesn't exist out of our product, and it's part of the reason you'll experience infinitely more organic traffic and far more paid conversions than you've ever seen in the past. Your competitors are using a static experience, so we urge all our clients to engage with higher level marketing in order to ensure that they stand out in amazing ways. Again, all the functionality we've described is served to you on the basis of creating the simple shortcode link as described. The older Platinum framework will convert all links automatically, and it's possible we'll reintroduce this feature into the standard product. It should be noted that links in articles submitted via our article system and those on your partner websites are tracked in the same way. Again, measuring your marketing reach is essential. It's also worth noting that standard UTM tracking tags are supported on all internal and incoming links, and this plays an important role when you engage with our social media systems. The link shortcode is used in about 20 different ways, all of which is introduced on our website in bLearn or in the associated module video. For example, modal links, tooltips, and calculators may be delivered in the manner that we've just described, and they're fully tracked with their own associated trigger system. If you're using our VoIP system, a link may be used to action a callback to your service. Links are more than just links. They're an important part of your framework that have to be carefully considered as part of your broader marketing architecture. See our range of videos for more advanced link-based functionality. If you have any issues, specific feature requests, or you identify any bugs, please let us know.